everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this beanie hat. This is seamless hat and you can use two sides of this hat. I use 5mm hook, 5mm yarn, markers, make a slip knot. I show. Insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, tie yarn, make a slip knot, mark slip knot. I show for beginners. We marked slip knot and chaining, yarn over, pull up yarn, make chains, 1, chain 1, 2, yarn over, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and repeat like this. 76, 77, 78 chains. I show we have 78 chains. We have 78 chains and make a slip knot in here. I show in here 52 centimeters. You can make more chains and make bigger than this size. If you want to make for kids, you can make, I show, 48 of these chains until here. Measure these chains around your head and you can make larger than this size and little than this size. In here you have your foundation chains. Work being careful not to twist the chains. I show like this. Insert your hook into first chain in marked chain. Now we have 2 yarns on hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, a slip stitch. Add 1, 2 chains, yarn over, go to these chains, start to crochet from these chains. Insert your hook into chains, go to first chain, take 2 loops of these chains on your hook. Pull up yarn. We have 3 yarns on hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns. We make double crochet. Yarn over, go to next chain. I show. We have 2 loops. Pull up yarn, pull through. Yarn over, go to next chain. Pull up yarn, pull through. We make double crochet. Pull up yarn, pull through. Make 1 double crochet in each chain for first round. Yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through, and repeat like this. Make 1 double crochet in each chain. I show. One double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet. Take 2 loops, 1 double crochet. Continue like this. Make first round 1 double crochet in each stitch. I made this stitch until here. Go to last stitch. I show. Take 2 loops, make 1 double crochet. In here, go to, we have 3 chains in here. Go to top of first chains, insert your hook. I show slowly into this chain, pull up yarn, slip stitch. In here, we made these chains and 77 stitches. In total, we have 78 stitches. This chains 77 double crochet. In total, we have 78 stitches in first round. Continue like this. 2 chains, yarn over, take first stitch. We make chains on chains. This is first stitch. Take first stitch on your hook. I show. Yarn over, take this stitch on your hook, pull up yarn. Now we have 3 yarns on hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns. We make front post double crochet. Yarn over, go to next stitch, from back. I show. This is back of work. Insert your hook, take this stitch on your hook from back of work, pull up yarn. We have 3 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns. We make back post double crochet. Yarn over, take this stitch on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, front post double crochet, yarn over, go to this stitch, next stitch, from back I show, from back into this stitch, take this stitch on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, take this stitch, make front post, back post, front post, back post, front post, back post, and repeat. Make like this for second round. 1 front post, 1 back post. I show. Continue like this for this round. I made second round until here. I show into last stitch. I make front post in here, make back post, go to last stitch, make front post. In here we have chains. Go to top of first chains, slip stitch. We make 1 front post, 1 back post, front post, back post until here. In here we have in last stitch front post. We have chains between of these front posts. These chains look like a back post, I show, and continue 2 chains, make front post on front post, back post on back post, front post, back post, front post, back post, front post, back post. Repeat like this, make more rows and make elastic work. Make more rows like these rows. 1 front post, 1 back post in every stitch. I made these rows. I show into last stitch, back post, front post. In here we have chains. Go to top of first chains, slip stitch. In here I show 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 rows. In here I have 20. 3 rows. I show we have 21 centimeters in here, 23, join top of hat, join top of hat with this yarn, with working yarn, I show, and this is suitable for large size. We have 58 centimeters in here, 22 centimeters in here. This is suitable for adults.